the page, give it some more, getting out of my way. I was hiding, bulletproof, forever waiting. Then came you. I thought I was what I've been told. I thought I was. I thought I was what I've been told. I thought I was. I was picking up the pieces. Well, yesteryear's life.
Good morning, everybody. We are loaded up. We have the four-wheel pop-up truck camper and the truck loaded down with all of our gear, and we are headed east towards northern Arkansas to spend about 10 days with some family over Easter.
Yeah, so if you guys caught our last video, we really hope you guys enjoyed it. We had fun making new cushions, checking out our Gold Zero, so this time we finally get to use it, and hope you guys enjoyed coming along with us on this video. If you're new here, we'd love if you guys subscribed, like the video, and let us know you like it. And yeah, stay tuned for this trip.
We are headed to Clinton, Missouri tonight to spend 1 or 2 nights camping around there, and so we will check back in along the way, and we'll see you later. We're about 5.5 hours in, 350 miles or so. We made it to Hays, Kansas, and now we're gonna finish the last stretch into Kansas City, and then we'll go down to Clinton, Missouri. We'll probably stop and get some barbecue tonight since we're going through Kansas City anyway. And yeah, it's been good so far. A little windy, as you can probably hear in the video, but overall can't complain.
Yeah, and now it's time to eat.
Sandwich time.
I thought I was what I've been told. I thought I was. Been a long time, baby. And an old time love. Stick with me, maybe. Don't let me go.
All right, so we just stopped and filled up just outside of Kansas City one more time before we go to our campsite in Clinton, Missouri. We've got about an hour to go. We stopped and picked up some barbecue at a place called
Q39. They had over almost 2,000 reviews, 4.5 stars, so we gave it a shot. They could not have been nicer. Stay tuned for that. We'll show you guys some videos of the food and let you know how delicious it is.
Yep, we got just a little bit left, our last stretch, so we will pick you back up whenever we get to the campsite.
Everything's gonna be alright. Call my love, my morning light. Everything's gonna be alright. Call my love, my morning light. Everything's gonna be alright.
All right, we're pulling up to our campsite now, and here's a final tally: 723 miles and about 11 and a half hours.
But the view's worth it.
Been a long time, baby. Had a long time, Lord. Stick with me, maybe. I love you so.
Perfect. Well, we made it to Bucksaw Campground in Clinton, Missouri. It was a long drive, just about 11 and a half hours in the car. So now it's time to set the camper up, get some chairs out, and have a beer. so we are full. The barbecue was delicious, and now we're just gonna sit here, enjoy a little bit of a fire. We're definitely exhausted after a very long road trip, so gonna get to bed early tonight, and then we'll see you in the morning for some breakfast and some coffee, and hopefully a nice sunrise by the lake.
Yeah, we'll see you guys in the morning.
Good night.
Good night.
I would be up waiting for you if you had to leave. I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea. I just wanna say that I feel that our love is real. Maybe we should hurry up and seal the deal.
We slept really well in the camper last night. We ended up getting a 1.5 inch thick foam mattress to go on top of our bed, and I think it changed the way that we sleep, which is awesome because we did not sleep very well before. And plus it wasn't snowing outside, so that made a huge difference. But we're just enjoying the sun right now, getting some coffee ready, and then we'll have some breakfast in a little bit and just kind of hang out today.
I would give it all away to do it all again. Make our love a story that would never end. Never thought I'd feel so alive, looking in your eyes. I just wanna love you till the day I die.
Alright, now that we have coffee in our system, we have time to do one of our favorite things and go walk the campsite and just kind of see who else is here and what other camper setups are here. So we're going to do that, take Barkley out, and just continue enjoying this morning. Okay, so hopefully that's how we're going to be storing the mattress a little bit easier. We have this foam pad, and then we just rolled up from the back. That way whenever we pull the bed out at night, you can just roll everything else out towards the front, and the bed is somewhat made still. But then we have the nice open space whenever we need to be inside for a little bit during the day. So a little bit of inconvenience, but I'm sure it'll get easier as we go. So there it is.
So if you guys watched the video before, we made these cushions in them, and this is actually our first time using them. Let us know in the comments if you guys like them, have questions about it, anything. We personally love them, so.
Yeah, it's our first time sitting on the cushions with the top of the camper popped up, because they've been in the garage the whole time and we haven't had a chance to use the cushions yet. So this is trip number 1, and definitely have to say that this is a great use of the space in here, because before they were just very uncomfortable and it was kind of an awkward height. Now my legs kind of sit at a 90, and we've got a cushion, the bench seat, everything is great. So we're very excited to have these.
Yeah. And if it's raining or anything, we figured, you know, this summer it potentially will be, so we can bring our table in here and eat, read, kind of do whatever.
So yeah, we're hanging here. We have the campsite reserved tonight as well. Typically we go for public land and free camping and kind of dispersed camping, but since we were driving so far across Kansas yesterday and into Missouri, we wanted the peace of mind of having a site already reserved for us.
From Reapers Ford to Watertown, and maybe Johnson City or Memphis bound. No matter where I go, no matter what I see, I still hear the call.
Alright, it's time to make a little bit of breakfast after we've had a nice relaxing morning. So what we're going to do here is get some potatoes O'Brien going, and then we have barbecue from last night, eggs, and this is just a corn and bean mix. So I think we're just going to stir it all together and make it a little egg surprise scramble.
Where to blow, the sun is gonna rise.
the wind picked up, so we're gonna spend some time in here and just read and enjoy our new cushions. I think we're also gonna make a snack, so a little apple and peanut butter. And Amelia's mom actually gave us this knife set. It's our first time using it. So thanks, Woody.
Thanks, Mom. Appreciate it.
Color your skin, all in. You got the white knuckles holding on it tight, keeping your feelings bottled up inside. Heading for collision in the night. To really live, you gotta die. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come alive. Breathe in, breathe out. Look at the colors, colors, colors. Right.
We just went on a little walk around the campground. There's about 3 different sites, loop A, B, and C. And we're in C, which is kind of majority tent camping. And it's not been too many people, which has been really nice. Just kind of enjoying the view. So yeah, it was good.
Yeah, it's been a great day. We're just gonna sit here and enjoy the lake and watch the sun drop, and then we'll start cooking dinner at some point and just hang out for the rest of the afternoon.
Things out deep underneath all the laser. Your doubts, there's a heart gone out of rhythm in despair. Held underwater, fine for it. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come alive. Breathe in, breathe out. Look at the colors, colors, colors around.
We've had a great afternoon here. It's been nice and relaxing, and we've just kind of enjoyed our view of the lake and been watching the sun drop for the last hour or so. Now it's time to get some dinner ready. We've just got some chicken that we made the other day back at home in Colorado, and we're gonna have some salad, some red pepper, and just kind of an easy way to do some good dinner.
Yeah, we're excited.
So if you're still here and still around in the video, go ahead and give it a like and let us know what you think about our trip. Obviously we've got some boats going by here, but it's been nice and relaxing. We're gonna end up hitting the road early tomorrow, so we'll just kind of show you what you're doing the rest of the night. A little dinner, a little fire, a little whiskey.
Always.
And we'll get up early in the morning and hit the road. So thank you for watching, guys. We always appreciate it.
Yeah, thanks for sticking around to the end. Love you guys.
Yeah. Well, that's gonna do it for us tonight, guys. We've got the bed all made. This foam mattress topper is incredible, and we are nice and worn out for the day. So we're gonna get up early tomorrow, drive about 3.5 hours to my grandma's house in northern Arkansas, and I think that'll do it once we get there for this video. So we're gonna call it a night now, and we'll see you bright and early in the morning.
Good night, guys.
Good night.